Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to backup your chats to Google Drive. So let's do it. Just open your WhatsApp app, and here you have to click on this three dot icon. Click on setting. Here you have to click on chats. Now scroll down and search for chats backup. Here you can see that my chat backup frequency has been disabled, so I have to enable it. You have to select one of these three icons, and I have selected daily, and here you have to select your Gmail account. So I have to select this Gmail account and then click on backup. So I have successfully backed up my WhatsApp chats. Here you have another option of include videos. If you enable this, your videos also will be back up to WhatsApp on Google Drive. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.